You've been lied to. No, seriously. For years, we've been bombarded with diet fads, miracle superfoods, and influencers who make eating healthy look like an impossible science experiment. One day you hear carbs are the enemy. The next it's fat. Then someone tells you to only eat during certain hours of the day and someone else says, nope, that's bad too. It's exhausting. And let's be real. Most of us just want to eat good food, feel good, and not spend every waking moment analyzing nutrition labels like we're decoding secret government files. Well, good news, eating healthy is actually really simple. I know. That sounds like a scam. But stay with me, because there's just one thing you really need to do. The one rule for healthy eating. Eat more real food. That's it. Not a juice cleanse. Not some magical detox tea. Not a $15 avocado toast that drains your wallet faster than your appetite. Just eat real food. If it grew from the ground, ran in the wild, or swam in the ocean, it's probably good for you. If it was created in a factory, stuffed into a box, and loaded with 27 ingredients you can't pronounce, maybe not. Let's do a quick test. Imagine you're at the store and you have two choices. A fresh apple or an apple-flavored gummy ring. A grilled chicken breast or a frozen chicken nugget shaped like a dinosaur. A glass of water or a neon blue drink that looks like it could power a spaceship. If you picked the real food, congratulations. You already understand the key to eating healthy. Now, before you panic, no, this doesn't mean you can never eat junk food again. The truth about junk food. Look, nobody's saying you have to go full caveman and start foraging in your backyard for berries. You don't have to be perfect. You can still eat your favorite snacks. Just don't let them become your main food group. The problem is, most of what we call food today isn't really food, it's a science experiment. Seriously. Ultra-processed food is designed in a lab to hit the perfect combination of salt, sugar, and fat that makes you crave more. Ever noticed how you can eat an entire bag of chips without feeling full, but a home-cooked meal actually satisfies you? Yeah, that's not an accident. Big food companies want you addicted. That's why chips are crunchy, fries are crispy, and sodas are fizzy. Every texture, every flavor, it's all designed to make you eat more, buy more, and come back for more. And let's be honest, most of us aren't addicted to carrots. Why processed food is a trap? Ever see an overweight tiger in the jungle? No, because tigers don't eat Doritos. But humans? Oh, we've perfected the art of eating nonsense. We've turned food into entertainment, stress relief, and an Olympic-level challenge of how much cheese can we fit into one meal? The result? Low energy, bad skin, mood swings, digestive issues, and worst of all, feeling like you need 3 cups of coffee just to survive the morning. So what do you actually do? The good news? Fixing it is easy. You don't need to count every calorie, cut out entire food groups, or swear off chocolate forever. Instead, just follow these 4 simple steps. 1. Eat more whole foods. If it looks like food, it's probably food. Think fruits, veggies, meat, fish, nuts, and grains. 2. Drink more water. Your body is literally made of it. Maybe stop treating it like an afterthought. 3. Cook at home more often. If you make it, you control what's in it. No mystery chemicals. No hidden junk. Just food. 4. Follow the 80-20 rule. Eat real food most of the time and enjoy the fun stuff in moderation. That's it. That's the big secret. No fancy meal plans. No overpriced diet products. Just real food made simple. The results? If you start eating this way, you'll feel better. Period. More energy. Better skin. Less feeling like a zombie in the morning. Maybe even fewer emergency naps after lunch. And the best part? You don't have to suffer. You can still eat cake at a birthday party, enjoy pizza with friends, or treat yourself to a burger when you feel like it. The difference is, instead of letting junk food control your diet, you're just choosing when to enjoy it. That's real freedom. So try it for a week. Eat mostly real food. Drink more water. See how you feel. Your body will notice. And if it doesn't? Well, at least you'll know you're not surviving on neon-colored snacks that look like they belong in a chemistry lab. Simple.